Good afternoon, everyone. So, what we have practiced in the last session? Are you guys there? Could you please let me know what we have done in the previous lab? Guys, how many of you are listening? Can you raise your hands? So, it seems only one out of 11. Okay, so there are some responses. Fine, fine. Please put down your hands. Yeah, now tell me um, what we have seen in the previous lab, what we have practiced, what concepts. You can.
username passport नहीं
Student. Username is student, password is student. Type. Yes, I'm back, and please let me know what we have.
PSP discussion.
Yes. So there is a response from offline student that he's saying that DST we have done. Is that did we practice BST, binary search tree, in the previous lab? Okay. So for us, yes, we have done. So now my question is, can you tell me what we have done in that? What functions we have implemented? Do you remember anything? I'm not just asking one guy who have responded. I'm asking every one of you. Kindly please be active. Just being in online is not that you are in the class. I'm just looking for some responses. So if you respond fast, I'll proceed fast. What we have implemented in BST, using BST, what we have done? Yeah, we discussed MLOC. Yes. So we discussed BST, and in BST we have done. I have shared the code also with you, right? And first, we have created a tree. I mean, we used malloc to create a space, right? Then we have inserted. So which means that you should say that we have done with create. Then we have done insert, right? Then what we have done? Then we have done some traversal. I think I have shown you pre-order or post-order.
Yes.
Huh?
Left side group or right.
Yeah, something like this. When I asked you guys, yes. So these three functions. Then I just ask you guys to implement in order and post order for the same, right? So you just want to copy paste that function pre-order and change it to in order and post order and change the sequence of the statements. First you want to print root or left or whatever it is. So in that way you have to change. So have you guys done with that task? BST performing in order, pre-order, post order using binary search tree. Have you got the output?
वो लेफ्ट साइड में बड़ी वाली, राइट साइड,
Left side less, right,
Right
side.
side.
Yeah. Okay. Let me proceed further. Seems. So in today's task, we're gonna perform the same BST. We're gonna do the same functions like in order, pre-order, post order. We're gonna create a tree and we're gonna insert, and then we will perform the same. But in the previous lab, if you see the code, we have used do while, right? We have applied do while in that. So I'm just going to replace that one to switch case. So now I want to, display choices. Like if the user wants to, first it will ask you to enter the data elements. You will enter the data. Okay. So once your data got entered, then it should display in order, pre-order, post order based on user's choice. It should display three options: 1, 2, 3, in order, pre-order, post order. Then if the user wants to know choice number 2, if his choice is 2, it should show that particular traversal. If the choice is pre-ordered, then it should show pre-order only, something like that, right? So you can use the same coding part and you can apply switch case for that. That is very simple. You can do it in 5 to 10 minutes. So before that, I'll just show you the same code, which a sample output. So you will get to know how to do that, and you can apply this concept in different ways. Just give me a minute. I'm just opening. I'll open the file where got that. So hope you can see my screen right now. And what I have done here is that I've done the same part of code. I've used header file, struct. Maybe in the previous program I might have called this as node, but right now I'm calling this as tree. So, and again, I'm just performing insert operation here, based on the values, like if it is less than or greater than, so where you want to insert. Then I'm performing delete operation here again. Then here, where it is, yeah. So here I'm performing in order, pre-order, post-order, right? Same, I just copy pasted and changed this sequence, right? For post-order, you have to visit left, right, and data. I mean the root. Then for pre-order, you will visit root, left, and right. For in order, it's like left, root, and right. So this is the sequence you just want to change. Fine, and you have to call all these things in the main method. That's what here we have done using do, while. I mean, in the previous example, we have used do while. But here what I'm doing is that I'm just using switch case, and then I'll say let us case one is, I mean, if I want to perform insertion. So here it is like first choice is to insert, and second choice is to delete, and third choice is to exit. If you want to perform the same, you can try it. But if what I'm saying is that you can perform like first choice is pre-order, second choice is in order, third choice is post-order, then fourth choice will be exit. So if I press 3, then it will exit this, exit out of the program. That's what I'm asking you to implement. So I'll just show you the output, how it is going to be. Then you can try using the same code which I have shared in the previous lab. So now it is asking for a code, right? So this pre-order, in order, all these things which got displayed from switch. So now my choice is 1 because I want to insert values first. So I'm just inserting some elements, that is 65. See, once if I insert, it is allocating these elements into this, pre-order, in order, and post-order. Then if I keep on inserting, again my choice is 1, I'm inserting 75. In my choice is 1, I'm inserting 85. And my choice is 1, I'm inserting 35. And my choice is 1, I'm just saying let's say 2. And again I can keep on inserting into this. I'll say my choice is okay, 5. So this is how. So the answer for pre-order, in order, post-order is displayed, right? This is how it should. So now if you have any queries in this, what you want to do is that you have to write the sequence of all these elements, what you have entered, starting from 65, 75. You just write this one in your paper in a sequence, and then construct a BST and apply pre-order, in order, post-order, then compare it with these results, whether it is matching or what. Fine. So now if I want to delete my choice 1, my case 1 is over. So I'm not recommending you guys to delete, perform delete operation today. We can do this one even in the next lab. But now my first and important thing is you just try to use switch case instead of do while. Okay. So delete, we can do it in the next session also. Fine. So, but I'm showing you how to delete. So my choice is 2. Now it calls the delete function. It is asking to enter a value. Like we have 65, 35, 2, 5, 75, 85. You can enter any value from this. Let's say 85 should be deleted from this. Okay, from the tree. So you see this, the last 3 steps: pre-order, in order, post-order. 85 is not there; it is deleted. Right. And if I want to delete 5, again my choice is 2. 2 is for deletion, and I'm saying I want to delete the element number 5, element which carries value called 5. Okay, you see this, there is no, the element 5 got deleted. What if I want to delete something? There is no 99, there is no element called as 99, but I'm trying to delete that 99. What it should show? See that it is showing value not found, right? it is showing value not found, that in or above pre-order, we can see that, because it is going to check your whole, I mean, it is searching for the element. When the search is not found, then you should say that value is not found. Then again, now you might ask some question, even while inserting, if you are inserting the same element, you should throw that. I mean, we know that BST doesn't allow duplicate values, right? 65 is already inserted. So now my choice is 1, which means I'm inserting. For example, I'm inserting the same value 65. Okay, 65 is already there, which means if I press enter, it should not show 2 times 65. See, it is not showing 2 times 65, only once. But now it should show some message that this element is already there, right? That message I have not given, but it can be included in the coding part. Fine. So this is how it should be. So take the previous lab session code and include switch case in it. Now, if I say my option, my choice is 3, then it will go out of the program. I mean, exit out of the program. That's it. So this is how you should, perform tasks. So just changing it to switch case is very simple. Just give a try. You can do it in any ways. I mean, you can apply it for insert delete operations, or you can apply switch case for in order, pre-order, post order. Instead of calling all these things in the main, you just call here case 1 is in order, case 2 is pre-order, all the functions, like that. So it can be done. Did you get what I said, guys? Do you understand what do you want to perform?
Yeah.
So guys who are online, can you respond? Okay, so I have got 1 response, 2, 3, fine. Okay. Yeah, write a program for BST. I have already shared. I mean, we have already written the program in the previous lab. You just take the program and perform it using a switch case. Simple. I have applied do while, you just apply switch. That's it. So once you got the output, please share your screen. Okay, fine. Guys, please give a try. Don't sit idle, please.
तो कोड शो करो ना.
Now the coding part is shared in the chat box. The code might have some errors. Okay, I didn't give you 100% error-free code. I purposely made something different. Okay, I just want you guys to figure it out and run those one. This code. Maybe it might have got 2 errors. Okay, I'm just informing you that early. You can use this code. This is the code which we have used in the previous lab to perform in order, pre-order, post-order. So here I have given only for pre-order. You have to perform it for in-order and post-order. And I have performed this one using do while. You just, include switch case for this, for these three traversals: in-order, pre-order, and post-order. Hope you have got the concept, or hope you understood what you have to do. Is there any queries? Yes, no. Okay, so please proceed with that, and once done, please share your screen, display the output. I'm just waiting for you guys.